In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit display and brightness. Now scroll down to click on screen refresh rate over here. Apply the best one for you by clicking on it. And when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my REALME has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!